let's learn to disassemble the trombone. First, make sure that the tip of the slide is on the ground. And the first thing that you'll do is remove the mouthpiece. So give it a gentle twist and lift up. If you haven't put it on too tightly, it should be fairly easy to remove. If it's very, very tight and seemingly impossible to remove, talk to your band director or go to a local music store. They have special tools to remove the mouthpiece for you. Go ahead and put that mouthpiece away. Now you're going to remove the bell section. So grab the slide by the braces and then unscrew this tightening ring and then give the bell section a gentle twist and lift it up out of the slide. Go ahead and put your bell away. And now let's put the slide away, but first make sure that it's locked. Grab it by the bracing. And then when you put it away, make sure that you've oriented it correctly. There's always one side for the end of the slide and one end for the top of it. And make sure that the spit valve is facing up. Now, go ahead and close the top of your case and make sure that your latches are secured. That's it.